Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Today we'll be making an easy paneer snack. We will be making paneer tikka popcorn, which is extremely easy and super tasty. This can be prepared in advance and the only thing that you'll have to do during a party is fry it. So let's get started. Take 500 grams of paneer. Cut the paneer into cubes. And keep this aside. In a bowl, take half a cup of thick curd. We'll be using room temperature curd. To this, we will add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of my special masala. The link is in the comment section. Salt as required and half a tablespoon of kasuri methi. We will crush the kasuri methi and add it. Mix all of these ingredients together. Make sure to whisk the curd well, and the ingredients should also incorporate into the curd. Once that is done, we will add our paneer cubes. And mix that as well. Make sure you do not break any paneer pieces. And to do that, you will have to work very patiently with the mixture and coat the paneer. After that is done, take a small heat-proof bowl. Add live burning charcoal to the bowl. Pour some ghee on the charcoal. Put a lid on top of this bowl and let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will take some cornflakes and crush it with our hands. While that is happening, hit the like button. It is a great way to support us, so please make sure that you hit the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe, we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt as required. Mix this all together. And keep it aside. Now we will take our paneer and remove the small charcoal bowl from it. Keep this on one side and also take another big plate and the cornflakes. Now we will pick up each individual piece of the paneer and coat it in the cornflakes. You can also take multiple pieces of the paneer and coat them together, but since I have to show it to you, I am going to do it individually. Coat the paneer completely in the cornflakes and place it in the plate. Repeat this for all the paneer pieces. And once all our paneer pieces are coated with cornflakes, we will freeze our paneer tikka popcorn for 20 minutes. At this stage, it can also be frozen for up to 30 days. If you have a party or any function or just want to eat it later, you can place it in the freezer, remove some and deep fry it whenever you want. To fry our paneer tikka popcorn, we will take a pan and heat oil in it. Once the oil is hot enough, we will add our paneer pieces. And fry them till golden brown. Repeat this for all the pieces. And a paneer tikka popcorn is ready to be served. You can serve it with any dip of your choice or even chutney. Do let us know what you think about this recipe and stay tuned for more amazing recipes.